You have been struggling to get views on YouTube and you finally got some amount of views. You check your analytics and the view is dropping again. And you've been wondering what is happening? Why is this happening with me? Is it because I posted this content? Is it because I did this on my channel? Is it because I shared my channel link? Is it because I do? You're asking different questions. Calm down. Do not worry. This video will show you why your views are dropping, so you can get to put your mind at rest and relax that you're on the safer side of life. YouTube is not against you and neither are you against YouTube. Hey, welcome here. I am Yika Adebayo, and if you're new to this YouTube channel, kindly subscribe to this channel for more interesting content like this. And to my returning subscribers, welcome back to this channel. You watching this video, I'm super elated. I created this content for you, and if you are new here, don't be jealous. Just subscribe to this YouTube channel so I can put you on my head as I've put my other subscribers on my head, and let's grow a beautiful community together. Now let me answer the question, why is your views reducing? You have not done anything wrong. Neither is your video wrong, neither is your way of posting wrong. So I will explain why your views are reducing in two ways. The first aspect I would like to explain to you is that one you can see on your YouTube Studio app. So you will see there are numbers of views. Maybe you have like 800 views or 1000 views, and you check again, you are now seeing like 700 views, 500 views. Sometimes you can even check it's now 2000 views. Wait, it is supposed to be read monthly. Okay, so if you are experiencing that, just check the upper part of your YouTube Studio. You see last 28 days, so the number of views you're having there is calculated in that month. So that's why you're seeing that. So assuming you have 10k views in that month, that's what is going to update on that views there. But now let's assume you have 13k views in the next month, is what you will see in that box. Okay, I believe you have clarity now on that so that you can understand what has been going wrong. So if this also have been happening with your watchers, you've been watching your watchers reduced, I have explained it in one of my videos. Just go ahead and watch the video so you gain clarity on what is happening. Okay, do not stress out on things that are really not necessary. Okay, stay focused. YouTube is not against you, and neither are you against YouTube. So let's talk about the second part of this video. Now if you have been taking note of your views on your videos, I'm talking about particular videos. Maybe you drop video 1, video 2, video 3, 4, 5, 6, and you're now noticing that the views you gather on those videos are reducing. You're noticing that, or you posted some shorts and you notice that the shorts have large numbers of views and suddenly everything reduced. Now this is what you want to take note of. I will explain it to you, the short and the long form parts. Now if you posted a short video and that short video happened to gain like 1002 views, and you were like happy, and suddenly you were there, the 1-2 views have now reduced to like 900 views. What happened is that some set of people click into your video and click out. So once anybody click into your videos and watch like 3 seconds of the video and click out, that will first register to you as views. But once it gets to a point, it will deduct itself automatically, and assuming you have 10 people do that on that video, you see the video's view dropping. So the one that will now be left with will be the people that actually watch the content. If you want to gain more clarity on this, I will explain that in the long form video so you can get to understand better. Now for long form video, okay, if you drop a content today and you are now seeing like 500 views, so later you went there, you're now seeing like 450 views. What happened is that some set of people watch that content, they watched like 55 seconds of the video and they clicked out. So since they clicked out, you know, first thing it will register to you that people view your content, but they clicked out. Once you get to a point, the video views is going to drop, and it's going to bring it back to you that the video views has dropped. Do you understand? So this is why I used to tell you people to create videos that people will really want to watch. Not any kind of video. Please make sure you are creating valuable content, because if they believe you are posting valuable content, nobody will click in and click out of your videos. Nobody will want to do that. They will even want to watch the video, even if not all. They want to watch the certain part of the video because they know they are gaining something from you. So nobody will just click in and click out. So if you have been experiencing this is what has happened. Okay, do not panic. So let me help you express this better. I used to monitor my videos. Any video I post, I used to monitor them. So sometimes on major YouTube app, I will see like 26 views. So when I check on my YouTube studio, I will see like 30 views. Do you get? So that 30 views, it is what my YouTube studio is telling me that that particular video has gained. So what happened to the 4 views? Why are they not registering under YouTube directly? Reason is because probably those 4 people watched the video to some limit and they didn't watch much and they click out of it or something. So that's why it's not updating. So now let's assume you're using your YouTube Studio app to monitor your videos and you have been seeing large amount of views from your YouTube Studio app. Then you now go and check your major YouTube. You're now seeing lesser views. I know this is going to bring out fears in you that what is happening to your channel. Nothing happened to your channel. That's just the reality of life. So what we want to put in place, like I've said before, is keep putting in valuable content. Okay, so these are the 2 reasons why your views are dropping. The first thing is it can be dropping on the major burst of views under the last 28 days. So that would be that the amount of views you've gathered in that month. Okay, so let's assume you have 5 videos. Sometimes your 5 videos can even give you more views in a month. So let's assume you have 8 videos. You can have 10 videos and have lesser views for that month. You're aware of that, right? So it depends on which value, which video picked. So I can't use my views some month ago to compare with this one or with the last month. It's different. So it's not about how much of content you have, it's about how much views you have for that month. I hope you understand. All I am still trying to say is be consistent enough, but do not panic on things that doesn't really matter. Focus on what is more important, which is dropping valuable content, and keep it going. Like some set of people, they will come here on YouTube and click on people's videos, watch some part of the videos and click out. This is very, very bad. If you have been doing that on people's channel, watch out. Please do not do that again. It's very wrong. If you know you don't want to watch this person, you don't like their vibe, you don't want anything, don't even click on their video and click out. If you are doing that for other people, they will do it to you, definitely. Me myself personally, I have other people I follow here. They are in my niche. As much as they are in my niche, I follow their video. If I click on their video, I will never click out of their video. Even when what they are saying doesn't really ring a bell, I still watch this video to the end just to help their channel. This is what we want to be doing for each other. Don't click on someone's video and next thing you are gone. It's going to send information to the algorithm. It's not going to help that person. And we are supposed to be here to keep each other. Okay, so many new creators send me their YouTube link. I go there, I like their video, I drop comment for them, and I subscribe. That's how it's supposed to be. Rub my back, I rub yours back. So it's supposed to be like that. Okay, just watch out for this. This is just, I know you might not be aware of this. Okay, you might not be aware of this before, but now that you know that, okay, this video, if you know you don't want to watch it, don't even click on it. This is just for you personally. Don't click on other people's video when you are aware that you don't want this kind of information. Do not click on it. Just keep it. But if you know you want to watch this video, watch it to some extent that you know that, okay, you've tried for this channel, so that that person's video won't end up in disarray. Please take note of this, because we all are eager to get views on this YouTube graph. If this sound helpful to you, you've gained 1 or 2 things from this content, let me know in the comment section. Like this video, share this video for as much as other content creators around you so they can get to learn from this content. And if you're new here, do not forget to subscribe to this YouTube channel. Let me know in the comment section that you subscribe. I am coming right there to give you a welcome hug, and you're welcome to this beautiful community. I will definitely see you in the next one. I remain Atiba Yinka. Bye.